Abubakar Abdulhamid, I said you are a new student, am I correct? You are just joining us today for the first time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. I needed to take note of that. That's why. Thank you. So we have Khalil Ajala in class already. So I'm including Abubakar Abdulhamid now. I am about to start the class because I might not be okay. Iman, how are you doing? How's your health? Iman, you can unmute yourself. All right, you guys are welcome to class. So permit me to say that I really appreciate the fact that there was a good turnout. There was a good turn up with yesterday's assignments, even though some were sending in their answers late, which I've actually cautioned every one of us on. Once it's 1 o'clock of the following day, I will appreciate that you don't send in an assignment again to also enable me to prepare properly for the class so that we don't get engrossed with marking of an assignment. So it wouldn't be fair enough. Thank you, and I wish you the very best. So you are all welcome to today's class. So those who have sent in their assignments will agree with me that necessary corrections have been provided to them. And I want to believe that they've also seen the corrections and they must have seen where they have some errors, one or two errors. Some were oversight, while some were unavoidable errors. So I believe that has been sorted. So I am going to be sharing my screen now. We are progressing with our lesson on HCF and LCM. Today, we are going to be looking at some kind of games that are related to our topic. And at the same time, I've prepared something that has to do with word challenge that are related to HCF and LCM. Because peradventure, questions might be set in an unusual way, unlike you being asked that find the LCM of this, and everything, or find the HCF of this. What if it's asked in a sentence way? How will you be able to do it? But before then, let's quickly do maybe one or two of this game now, just to whet our appetites and also boosts our knowledge of HCF and LCM. So if you are ready for me, I am also ready. I hope you are all very much at alert for questions you want to be seeing now. Can I go ahead? Can I have a yes from somebody who is ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So I'll be sharing the screen to show you the quizzes you are going to be attempting. So once you have an answer for any of my quiz that you can see on the screen, I may not give you numbers, but once you have an answer, you can just raise your hand. You can just raise your hand to give the answer. It's just a short game to widen our horizon of LCM and HCF. And additionally, I said we are going to be looking at word problems that are related to this HCF and LCM as well, because we are trying to widen our horizon. And I believe that is good enough for us. I saw somebody's name. Afzal, you did not still rename your device. I thought I explained how to do it yesterday. You've not renamed your device. But nevertheless, I think I can recognize you. I can recognize you. So I want to share my screen now. Let me change what you are seeing at the moment. Can you all see another screen now? Can you see something? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So while we are expecting that and getting ourselves ready, Abubakar Abdulhamid is in class. Abulumate Shamsidin and Mokodas are in class. So Khalil is in class, Muiza is in class, Iman, Mariam, and Afzal is also in class. So all of you that I've just mentioned your name, I want to believe you should be ready to give all the best in this game that we are about to share with ourselves. Now, sorry, I think my internet is a bit slow. I will have decided that I should just share the link with everybody, but I want us to do it together. So the game is loading. I can also call on anybody to answer my question. So the fact that I said everybody can see it doesn't mean that I can decide to make a call that someone should answer the question. Is that taking everybody? Do you have Mariam Adilaja here? Yes, Mariam Adilaja is here. Afzal is also here. Okay. I think I've taken note of those in attendance already. Okay. So this challenge will include prime or product of primes. Can somebody remind me what primes are? It could be prime numbers or prime factors, but basically prime numbers. What are they? Because we have questions that will be related to them here. What are prime numbers? Example from anybody? Yes, Iman. You can unmute yourself, Iman. Iman, go ahead.
Huh?
I'm listening.
Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by one and themselves.
Very good. Very good. That's good. Somebody is using the device Umuromla. Please rename your device. It's important to identify you as a student for the sake of attendance. It will not be easy for me to know who bears that name. Please, please. Now I'm calling someone to attempt one of my quizzes on the screen now. Who should I give? Abdulhamid. Abdulhamid, can you please tell me what will be the answer quickly? Abubakar Abdulhamid, be fast. You have your writing materials with you. Give me what will be the answer. The product of prime for 72. Abdulhamid, I'm counting down for you. 10, 9, 8. Who else wants to try it? Who knows the answer? Muiza, what's the answer? Unmute yourself.
14.
14. The options are on the screen. There's no 14 here. Are you not seeing what I'm seeing? The person using the device Umuromla, please rename your device. I can't recognize you with that name. Please help me out with that. Thank you. Khalil, do you want to try? What should be the answer? Quickly, 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 quickly. Khalil? Okay, if you know the answer, unmute yourself. It's taking too long. If you feel you know the answer, unmute yourself. Whoever feel he or she knows the answer is allowed to unmute now. Now.
The first one.
The first one. Who is that talking? Abubakar Abdulhamid, do you mean this one?
Yes, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times times 2 times.
You are correct.
2 times.
Mashallah. You are correct. You are correct. It has been approved for you already. That's good of you. Second question. Who wants to give an answer to that? I don't need to read it out. The questions are shown already. Who wants to give an answer to that? You are all allowed to.
2 times 7 times 7 times 7. 2 times 7 times 7 times
Afzal,
7.
give me the
Sir?
option A, B, C, or D. What's that, my dear?
Option C.
Option C. This one, right? Thank you, Afzal. You're correct. Thank you. So those that have spoken should not say anything again. Allow the others to participate in this. Thank you. Dear Woluma test, either of you should answer this. What's the HCF of 72 and 98? Dear Woluma test. Those that have given answer before should not participate in this, and that is Afzal and Abubakar Abdulhamid. Allow the others to participate.
3 times 3 times 7.
Who is that person? Which of them?
Shamsuddin.
Shamsuddin. Are you talking about this B?
Yes.
You are wrong, my dear. You are wrong. The answer is 2. HCF. I'm not talking LCM. The question says HCF. Sorry, my dear. Now, let's go to Mariam Adelaja. Mariam Adelaja. Okay, Sad Maimuna, thank you for naming yourself. That is confirmed now. So Maimuna, can you please participate in this now? Now that I can see your name. Can you tell me what will be the LCM to this thing on the screen? That's why you have the writing materials with you. I'm challenging Maimuna and Muniza on this. Those that have not spoken, that have not participated. Maimuna and Muniza. Which of you is ready to give an answer to this? Okay, Mariam wants to speak. Mariam, I can hear you. Calm down, Mariam Adelaja. Tell me, what's your answer? A, B, C, or D?
B, C.
Are you sure, Mariam? Can I go ahead?
It's C.
Mariam?
2 times 2.
C. It's wrong, my dear. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's either this or this. 3528 is the answer. Sorry, my dear. I know time might be a constraint, but we learn to be fast always. So who else have not participated? Muqaddas, our Lumate, Muqaddas, Mariam and Khalil, and also Iman. You can try this. Let's go.
Can I?
Who is saying I? Which of the Lumate is talking? Is that Muqaddas? No, Shamsuddin, you've answered my question earlier. Allow your brother to do the needful now. Not you again. Sorry, my dear. Muqaddas, try. Okay, Iman, you have an answer. What's your answer, Iman?
B.
B, it's your answer. The product of its prime factors. B, Muqaddas. Is that your final answer? Iman, is that your final answer? Who does not agree with him?
Me.
If you know you don't agree with him, you can choose your own answer. I'm allowing you. Khalil, yes, what's your answer?
A.
Khalil said A. Let's go with Khalil's option A. Khalil is actually correct. Khalil is correct. Next question is the next thing you can try on now. Next question. I hope that's not Shamsuddin. I want others to also participate. Sorry about that, Shamsuddin. Muqaddas, this is a second chance for you. Try to attempt this one. Muqaddas, Moiza. I hope those are the only ones that I've not heard from, that have not given answers to their own question. Which of the Awolumata is that? It is Muqaddas that I want to hear. I want to hear from Muqaddas too. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry, please. So sorry. Quickly. We have something else to do. Let's end this game on time. Which of the Olumate is saying Kanai? Which of them? Now, Mukodas, yes. Let me hear from you. Which of your answer is this?
54 times 10.
54 times 10. Do you understand what I mean by product of prime factors? Iman told us that prime factors are those numbers that can only be divisible by themselves and 1. And they are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on.
Sir, can I?
Okay, Muiza, yes.
The last one.
The last one, are you referring to this one?
The 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5.
Okay, Muiza said this. Let's see if you are right. Oh, correct, Muiza. That's good of you. Next question. Now, if you have taken notes, we have used 648 and we have used 540. So now, compare the two of them together. What should be the HCF? I can see another user called Saidat. Is that a student, please? My apologies, please. If you are not a student, please click on your name and choose profile to rename your device. I want to address all users as a student. Which of them is that, Mukodas or Shamsidin? Maimuna, can you please give a trial on this, Maimuna? What is the HCF? I expect you guys to have your writing materials and be doing a quick calculation. I'll call those people that have participated before. If you, the new ones, are not saying anything. Mariam Pham, you are just joining us. Do you want to answer my question? I can see you are raising your hand. Yeah, talk to me, my dear.
Okay.
Mariam Pham, unmute yourself. Okay, ABC. ABCD, which one is your answer?
Okay.
A.
6.
Are you saying A?
No, I'm coming. Wait.
Okay, this one I'm waiting. They are coming. I am waiting. Maimuna, Muiza, no. Allow the others to also do this. Sorry, please, my dear. Maya Madela, I think you have answered my question before. Please allow Maimuna, because that has also answered. Maimuna, Mariam Pham, I want to hear from those two first. And the person is in this side that I'm not sure if it's a student or not. If you are a student, please rename your device so that I can recognize you. Time is running out. Who has an answer now? I have something else to do. This is just a game to challenge our thinking.
Sir, can I?
Who has an answer? Okay, Mariam Pham, let's hear from you, Mariam Pham. Mariam Pham.
Sir?
What's your answer? We've done how to get HCF yesterday now, so it's not difficult. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, look at it. You have answered my question. I'm not allowing you again. I only want Mariam Pham, Maimuna. Mariam Pham, Maimuna. Mariam Pham, what's your answer?
I'm going with...
With what, my dear? A, B, C, or D?
A.
You're going with A. Is that your final answer? You said A, but unfortunately you are wrong, my dear. This is the answer. If you have chosen this, definitely they will activate the other one for you. Now, last question. Anybody can answer this. Anybody can answer this. Anybody can answer this. LCM. Fastest finger first.
Oh my God.
Afzal, you are so smart. Afzal said his own answer is B without even thinking about it. That's a very good one. Smart guy. That's a good one. So that's about the game. Everybody, mute yourself back. Mute yourself back, everybody. Now I'm going back to the normal slide for today. Now, what are we trying to look at today? We are looking at what problem how HCF and LCM questions can also come up with. And I'm considering them as extension. Now, write the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 6 and also find the LCM. Who is the smart person that can answer this question? Common multiples. We solved that yesterday, if you can remember. Common multiples for 4 and 6. I hope we are all having our hands on deck. I hope we are all having our hands on deck. Or do you want us to solve it together? 3 common multiples of 4 and 6, and by extension, looking for their LCM. Let me share another screen then. I'm seeing that we are silent. Common multiples for 4 and 6. For 4, we need to list out all the multiples. We have 4 to be the very first one. We have 8, we have 12, we have 16, we have 20. I hope we are together. We have 24. You might be faster than me, so if you have an answer, just share it.
Sir, I'm done.
Okay, someone is done already. Someone is done already. So what's the common multiple if you have your own answer? First 3 common multiple if you have your answer. Yes, I can hear you, my dear.
8 and 12.
Pardon me?
4, 8, and 12.
Common multiples for 4 and 6? No, my dear. Check again, my dear. Check again.
So the first 3 common multiples for 4 and 6 is 12, 24, and 36.
12, 24, and 36. You are absolutely correct, my dear. 12, 24, and 36. You are very correct. You are very correct. I also have them on my screen as well too now. So the first 3 common multiples for 4 and 6, as you can see on my screen now. Can I change this one to black? Let me change this one. Let me change now to red. So this is the first common multiple, 12 and 12. Then we have 24 is also common. And the third one is 36. So now we've been able to solve the common multiples. What is now the LCM? What is now the LCM? This should be easy now. At least we've written all these ones. What is going to be the LCM? Looking at what you have on the screen alone, you should have gotten the answer quickly. What's the LCM? Somebody.
Wow. The answer is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3.
What will it be? Give me the answer, my dear.
I think it's 12.
Yes, someone got it right. The answer is 12. So the LCM is 12. So I will not solve again. I will allow you to solve so that I will encourage more people to participate in it. Let me write on my screen. So now the answer, as we have calculated, the first one is 12. We are filling it in now, 12. Then the second one was 24. Then the third one was 36. So if I were you, I will be going straight to question 2 now.
So I'll be
going straight to question 2. So the LCM is 12. So who has gotten question 2 smartly? What are the 2 prime numbers? Which form is also a prime number? Yes, 2
and 3.
2 and 3.
Fantastic, my dear.
3.
Because if you have 2 and 3, if you add them together, you get 5.
5.
And that 5 is also a prime number. Awesome. I can as well say 2 and 5. When I add 2 and 5, I will still get 7. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
That one is also correct. So now question 3 says, find the sum of HCF of 45 and 9 and HCF of 4 and 12. Critically, think. We have broken them for you now. The first thing you need to do is What is HCF of 45 and 9? Then what is HCF of 4 and 12? When you get the two answers, then you add them. As simple as that. Who are the smart people in class? Quickly.
Sir, the answer is 13.
Hey, are you sure, my dear? Let's take it one after the other. What's the HCF of 45 and 9 first?
9.
9, you are correct. 9, you are correct. So what is the HCF of 4 and 12?
4. 4.
Fantastic. You are very, very correct. Fantastic. Then the addition of the two becomes what?
13.
13.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, question 4. Someone else should take that. Find the HCF of, by listing factors. You can list the factors on the screen, but to save time, I might not want to list it to save time. But maybe we should just list it so that it will help everybody. Let's list the factors of 20 and that of 28. They will now use it to get the HCF. Maybe we should do that. What are those factors of 20? We did everything yesterday. What should be the very first factor of 20?
Sir.
1 and 20.
Don't shout. Calm yourself, Mariam. We want to listen to Mariam. Mariam Farm. Hold on. Mariam Farm only. I have noticed that name. Now, Mariam Farm, let's go. What are the factors of 20?
20.
The very first. I said it's always procedural. What's the first number, my dear?
2.
Sir.
Is it 2?
It's not 2. Sorry, my dear. I'm calling someone else again. Mariam Adelaja. Unmute yourself. No, the first number, my dear. 20 is not the first number.
40.
I'm going to another person again. I'm going to Muiza. You don't need to say can I can always see you when you want to make attempt. Muiza, what should be the first factor of 20?
1 and then 20.
1. 20 is not the next number, my dear.
Yes.
20 is not the next number. I'm going procedurally, my dear. I'll call you later. Khalil, after 1, what should be the next number?
Sir.
After 1, what should be the next number?
2.
2 is very correct. Let's go together. Let's work with you. 2, I'm working with you. Continue. After 2, what should be the next one?
4.
4 is correct. What again?
5.
5 is correct. What again?
10.
10 is correct. After 10, what is next?
20.
Then 20. Very good. So I'll call you back later. Rukoya Abdul Qadir, can you please unmute yourself, Rukoya? Rukoya? Rukoya, can you hear me? Unmute yourself, Rukoya. Rukoya, unmute yourself. Who is the person using that device side that? That person should please unmute himself or herself. Who is the person using side that? Who is the person using side that? Okay. That person is not talking. Who is using, okay, Maimuna? Maimuna? Can you please unmute yourself? Maimuna. I'm moving to someone else. Iman. Iman. Once I call you, you can't respond, then I move to another person. Iman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Give me the factors of 28 quickly.
1, 2.
Very good. Followed by what?
4.
No, 4 is not the next factor. I'm going to another person. Abubakar Abdulhamid, unmute yourself. Abubakar Abdulhamid, unmute yourself. Procedurally, after 1, what should be the next factor? Going from this very smallest. That's what I told you yesterday. Abubakar Abdulhamid, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the next factor of 28 after 1?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
You're still thinking about it. You are excused. Who is that?
This is Saida, but
okay, is that one using Saida? What is your name?
Hanifa.
Okay, I told you to rename your device. What's your name, my dear?
Hanifa, but I don't know how to rename my device.
Okay, next time, all you just need to do is to click on the name or the display ID. Then you click on profile. Once you click on profile, then you can rename yourself. Okay. But I've noted your name now that you are present in class. You are Anifa Fashola, am I correct?
Yes.
Very good. Can you please participate in this? What's the next factor of 28 after 1?
Hanifa.
2.
2, very correct. What again?
What was the number?
28. You can see it on my screen, my dear. Can you see it? We are going from the very smallest to the largest. The number that can give us 28, we solved that yesterday.
Your screen.
Can you hear me?
Black. Your screen is black.
My screen is not black. It might be your network, my dear.
Oh.
Okay, let me do you a favor by stopping and restarting it all over again.
Okay.
But it might be your network actually. But I'm trying to do that now.
Okay, thank you.
I hope you can see my screen, everybody. I'm trying to reshare it again.
Yes, sir.
So after 2, what's the next factor of 28? Quickly.
4.
Numbers that can multiply to give us 28. After 2, what is next?
4.
And if I will have to leave it to another person, Abubakar Abdulhamid, do you want to say something?
Yeah, 4.
4.
You can continue solving in your comfort space, Hanifa.
4.
Abdulhamid, what's the next number? Somebody said 4. Very good. 4 is the next one. After 4, what's is next?
7.
7. Very correct. After 7, what's next? After 7, the next one should be 14. Let me make this faster. The next one should be 14. Now the last one will be 28 itself. 28 itself. These are the factors of 28. Now, the question now says, what is now going to be the HCF of these two? What is the HCF? What is the highest common factor? What is the highest number that is common between this 20 and this 28? What is going to be the answer? Somebody. With all that we have listed, the answer should be easy. Yes, please, Iman.
It's 2.
No. HCF means highest common factor. Common factor, highest, not
4.
lowest. 4 is the answer. Because we are using an unusual method, that's why you are thinking it's 2. No. We decided not to use the traditional method. Now, in your own space there, use your traditional method to find me the HCF of 24, 36, and 60. Fastest finger first. HCF, using that short method.
Sir,
What is the
HCF
HCF of 24, 36, and 60?
24, 36.
Afzal, what's your question?
Sir, don't worry.
Afzal? Okay, no problem. No problem. Who's going to get this first?
3.
So I try to change the nature of the question. Okay, Maimuna, what's your answer?
2.
Pardon me, Maimuna? 2 is not the HCF. Try again, my dear. Check again. Check again. Khalil, do you have an answer? Khalil, do you have an answer?
Yes, sir.
What's your answer, my dear?
6.
6 is not the answer. Check again. Check again. Check again. Check again. Yes, who is the mean? Who is the mean? Louisa. The answer is 12. The answer is 12. Yes, the answer is 12. That's very correct. So those of you that have been part of this challenge, you can calmly check your working now. Calmly check your working now. The answer is supposed to be 12. HCF of 24, 36, and 30.
Yes,
Can we
sir.
try to solve it out for everybody to see? 24, 36, and what again? 60, right? 24, 36, and 60. So let's see the working on the screen. So HCF, we are using the traditional method, or what you can say is the popular method. 24, 36, and 60. 24, 36, and 60. So I've written this. Let me change my marker. This is 24, 36. So that those that were saying 6, that were saying 2 and everything will be able to have a proper understanding of why I said those answers weren't correct. You have an idea, but probably something skipped your mind somewhere. So we look at it together. So the very first number that can go in these 3 numbers at a goal is 2. 2 in 24 is 12. Sir. Am I correct? 2 in 36 should be 18. 2 in 60 should be 30.
Yes,
what again
sir.
will go in them at a goal? What again will go in them?
20. Sir.
Ah, 20.
2.
Cover your face. What again will go in them?
It's
Sir, 2.
Thank you, my dear. 2 in 12 should be 6. 2 in 18 is what? 9. 2 in 30 should be 15. Don't forget that the method that we are using requires that whatever number you are using to divide them must go in everything. And the next number should be 3.
Sir,
The next
3.
number should be 3. So 3 in 6. I've written it, my dear. 3 in 6 is 2. 3 in 9 is 3. And 3 in 15 is 5.
5.
Is there any other number that can go in all of them at once?
No.
HCF is what we are solving. No, don't get it twisted.
No other number can go together.
No number can go in them again.
Sir,
No
no number can go. Sir, no number can go.
Fantastic. Yes, yes,
Sir.
I've written that. So the next answer will be 2 multiplied by 3. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Hello,
Take
Mr.
it
Hamza.
easy.
Hello, Mr.
Hamza,
Hamza.
take it easy.
Hello,
Calm down.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Alright,
hello,
sir.
everybody,
We can
please.
hear you,
Hello,
sir.
hello. Yeah. Please, if you want to talk, you raise your hand, please. You raise your hand before you talk. Everybody cannot be talking at the same time. We will not get anything, right? I know you're excited
Yes,
about
sir.
the answer. But that excitement should not affect others, right? So
Yes, sir.
just raise your
It
hand.
doesn't really look like
Raise your
that.
hand, all right? Raise your hand. You'll be allowed to talk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please mute yourself back. Thank you. Mr. Hamzat, over to you.
Thank you for the interjection.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So that's how we arrive at the answer that we got, which was 12. And I hope it's clear to everyone now. So let's go back to the previous screen now so that we can continue what we are attempting. Now, we are done with all of this extension question. Let's see if there are more for us to attempt. Yes, there are more. There are more, and there are more, and there are more. Wow, there are more and there are more. Can time permit us to quickly look at this? Because I actually want to challenge us with this one. Let me challenge us with this one. I will go back to the question that I skipped. Let's see who can attempt this question. I saved it for the final class, but I want to push it to you now. Let's see who can attempt it. If you don't have an answer, don't unmute yourself. If you have an answer, raise your hand, then I will tell you to unmute yourself. Take your time. I will allow you. I want to give 5 minutes to this question. That's why I said it's a challenge. I don't want to explain how to do it. But after 5 minutes, I promise you, I'm going to solve it.
No, sir. How do you raise your hand?
Hello, Mr. Hamzat. I think.
Pardon me?
Hello, Mr. Hamzat. I think I've allowed everybody to unmute themselves. So what you can do is maybe you call them randomly. You understand? So that will be better rather than raising their hands up. So just call them randomly. So whoever that is not called will not talk. So that will be the rule. I hope that is clear, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, inshallah. So whoever, I want us to solve this question. Let's just keep solving. Everybody remain muted. So I said I've given 5 minutes to this question, but I've taken 1 minute out of it. So we have 4 minutes left to solve it. Study the question. I will not explain it until I'm ready to solve it myself. The technicality around it, I will explain it. That's a promise. But just give a trial to it already. Give a trial. We have 3 minutes, 30 seconds left now. There are some key terminologies that I want you to get used to that I would like to explain after you are done with it.
I have an answer, sir.
Abdulhamid, don't worry. Mute yourself. I've noted that you have an answer. Just keep it. Hold on. You have 3 more minutes.
Yes.
Mariam Adelaja, mute yourself. I've muted you, Mariam. We have 2 more minutes remaining. I want to allow quite a number of us to participate in it. That's why I'm giving enough time. "90 seconds remaining. So these questions are intentional. Unlike you having the direct question that will say, find the HCF of this, find the LCM of this. No. We are now trying to change the narrative. That what if we twist the question in this way? Can we think out of the box to solve it? But it is not impossible. That's why you are here. Rokoy, I've noted your name as well too. Don't worry. I've noted you. I've noted you, Khalil. Don't worry. I've noted you. Hey, stop that. "20 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. Miriam Adelaja, do you have an answer too?
I have an answer.
Mariam Pham, I'm rounding up already. Don't worry. 10, 9, 8.
I have an answer.
There's no crime if you're unable to do it. I will do it myself as well. Muiza, you are also noted. 3, 2, 1, and 0. So those that have an answer, I'm calling you now. Just tell me whatever your answer is. Don't worry. Whether you are right or wrong, leave that to me. Leave that to me. Abdulhamid, what is your answer?
271, sir.
Okay, noted. Mariam Pham, what is your answer?
I also got 271.
Noted. Rukoya, what is your answer? Rukoya, what was your answer?
271.
Okay. Fingers crossed to know if you are right or wrong. Muiza, what was your answer?
71.
No, I said Muiza. That was Awolumate. I call Muiza, not the Awolumate yet.
Muiza.
Muiza?
Yes, I was the one who said.
What was your answer?
I said 271.
Okay, thank you. Mute yourself back. Thank you, my dear. Now, the Awolumates, which one of you have solved it? Shamsuddin or Mukoddas?
Shamsuddin.
Calm down, calm down. Shamsuddin, what's your answer?
92.
92. That's good. Thank you. Mukoddas, have you tried doing it?
But I don't even get the answer.
Don't worry, my dear. You are in a safe zone. I'm here for you. Don't worry. Anifa, have you tried doing it, Anifa?
I don't really do it.
I can't see the.
Anifa?
I can't see the screen, so I don't know the question.
It's actually your network, my dear. I tried restarting the screen earlier. I said that. So you need to leave and rejoin.
Okay.
That might be a network challenge from your end. So sorry about that, my dear. Maimuna, what's your answer? Maimuna?
412.
400 and what? I didn't get that statement. Boy, you have actually made attempts. Thank you for that. Maya Madelaja. Thank you, Maimuna. Maya Madelaja, did you attempt it? Maya Madelaja. Khalil, did you attempt it?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
Khalil, what was your answer, my dear?
I still can't see your screen.
Pardon me, Anifa.
What did you say, sir?
You were saying something. Can you repeat yourself, please?
I still can't see your screen.
Sir, I said you should leave and rejoin.
Yeah, I did that.
You are the only one not seeing my screen. Okay, let me do you a favor and stop it and reshare again. I will stop the screen, then reshare again. I've just done that. So if you still cannot see my screen, it's definitely from your end, my dear.
Okay.
I have stopped and I've started sharing it again now. And the screen is still showing. So it's your network, my dear, okay?
Okay.
Now, I think I've heard from everybody. Now, for those who have given me their various answers, let's see who is right and who is wrong. Now, 32, 36, 48, and 96. Afzal, you asked a question earlier that how are you going to do it? Whenever you see a question like this, there is a keyword for you to identify. And the keyword there is the word smallest number. In any word problem, whenever you say anything like this, it is referring to LCM. It is referring to LCM. But what is the LCM of what you want to look for? The LCM of what we are looking for are for 32, 36, 48, and 96. So may I use my whiteboard to do that? I think that will permit me. 36, 32, 48, and 96. So let's go to the whiteboard. I will have enough space to do that there. Okay, so my whiteboard now. For anybody that have participated and those that have missed it, please, let's all be attentive to see how I want to solve it. At least it will be an affirmation to those of you that have done it to confirm that, yes, you are actually right. And for whoever has missed it to also know and learn that, okay, this was the reason why I have missed it. But we are all here to learn. So we have about 4 numbers that we are looking for their LCM. I'm trying to use the traditional method or what I can classify as the popular method. So the first number was 32. Am I correct?
Yes.
The next number is 36. The next number is 48. What's the last number? I can hear a background noise. Please mute yourself. Mute yourself, Mariam.
96.
So the next number is 96. 96. Thank you, my dear. So I said with that keyword that has been identified, the first thing we need to do is to find the LCM. So we start the journey. So 2 is always the smallest number that will go because we are looking for LCM. Once it can go in one thing, we are home and dry. So we continue. 2 in 32 is 36. 2 in 36 is 18. 2 in 32 is 16. So 2 in 36 is 18. 2 in 48 is 24. If I'm making any mistake, you can call my attention back. I'm not perfect. 2 in 96 is 48. I hope I'm right up to this extent. The next number that will go will be 2. Afzal, I hope you are with me. I hope you are with me. You can see what I'm doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Everybody should be seeing what I'm doing, please. We are still working on the LCM, which is the keyword that we have identified. We are still using 2. Please, everybody should concentrate. I can hear background noise. Please concentrate. 2 will not go in 9, so we'll just write 9 because it is LCM. But 2 will go in 12, which is 6, and 2 will go in 24, which is 12. Definitely, we can still be using our 2. We can still be using our 2. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 will not go in 9, so we repeat our 9.
9.
2 will go in 6, which is 3. And 2 will go in 12, which is 6. Now, let's all understand that it is the keyword that we were able to identify that is leading us to what we are doing. So 2 will still go. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 9 will be 9 because it will not go. 2 in 3 will be 3 because it will not go. But 2 in 6 will be 3. Now, I will still close this. Definitely 2 cannot be used again. I hope I'm correct.
Sir.
So we now move on to the next prime number that can go, which is 3.
2.
Yes, I'm with you. So 3 in 1 is just going to be 1. We'll just write 1. 3 in 9 is 3.
Sir.
3 in 3 is 1.
1.
3 in 3 is 1. So practically, there's still one more step that we have to go.
3. Sir.
And this is our final bus stop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm doing it. Don't worry. Calm down. You don't need to call me again. Just let's keep going on with this. I really appreciate your participation. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And it shows that we're learning. So 3 in 1 is impossible, so just write 1. 3 in 3 is 1. 3 in 1 is impossible, just write 1. 3 in 1 is also impossible, just write 1. So at this extent or at this level, we already have an answer. And to write out our answer, let's use our text box here. Don't forget, it is LCM that we are solving. How many 2 have you been able to write down? Let's count how many 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Thank you. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 5 of them. Then times 3 times 3. Now, for those of you that have participated, let's go together now. 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4 times 2?
8.
8. 8 times 2? 16. 16 times 2?
32.
16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 3?
54.
32 times 3?
54.
32 times 3? 32
64.
times 3?
64.
32 times 3? 32 times 3? 32 times 3?
64.
96.
Times 3. Don't get it twisted now.
96.
96. So what about 96 times 3? 96 times 3 will now be what? What is 96 times 3?
28.
This is 8. That's 18. Carry 1. 9 times 3 is 288.
288, sir.
So the LCM is 288. So let's go back to the LCM. The LCM is 288. But mind you, the question is still saying something. We don't answer the question. When we go back to the question said, let me share what we are seeing. Going back to the question, we were told that the number has to go. So let's look at the question again so that everybody will be on the same page. They said, find the smallest number which on being added to 17 to it is exactly divisible by 32 and exactly divisible by 32, 36, 48, and 96. We've gotten the LCM. But it said which number when 17 is added. So it means that we are going to treat this question just like algebra. So it means that x is the number in question plus 17 to give us that number, which is the LCM. So our x will now be equal to 17 will cross to the equal sign and becomes 28 minus 17. What is 28 minus 17, somebody?
That's 11, sir. No, that's 11. Sir, 11. 11.
288 minus 17. Not 11, not 11. No, calm down.
9. That's 9.
Calm down, Abza. Look at the screen. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then 2 comes down. So the answer is 271. So those who said their answer was 271, they are absolutely correct. Those who said their answer was 271, their answers are absolutely correct. So the correct answer is 271.
Sir,
So
I can't see the solution.
Who said that? That's the solution, my dear. The answer is 271. That's the solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can't see the solution. Oh, let me show you.
Yes.
Let me show you. Sorry. This is the solution. 271.
Okay, sir.
I hope you can all see it now. You can also get the recording to see the solution as I have solved it. That's the solution. So the number in question that you have to add 17 to it to get a number that will be divisible by 32, 36, 48, and 96 is 271. Because when you add 271 to 17, you get 288, which is the LCM of 32, 36, 48, and 96. I thank you so much for being in class today. And that is all that we'll be able to take for this week.
Sir,
Do well
no
to study our recording. Pardon me?
Sir, homework. Sir, the homework.
No.
The homework. No.
Calm down. Calm down. You know, tomorrow is Monday. You are going to be having quiz. Quiz will be sent to you. And the fact that you are yearning for homework, it will also motivate me to also send an homework to the platform. So expect your homework as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate.
Assalamu
But don't
alaikum.
forget to also try
Thank
and
you,
practice. Make sure you practice all that have been done today. Make sure you practice all that have been done today.
Yes, sir. I'm a boy. Sorry.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
I'll do it for you.
Homework.
Serious.
I've ended the class. You can leave.
I know.
Ramzan, I ended the class.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay. Have you ended the class?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa
Yes,
alaikum
I've
salam.
ended the class. That was why I said that they should be expecting
Okay,
a
you
message
can
from
leave.
me later.
Yeah, you can leave.
Bye.
I will end the video chat. The video chat now.